Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring your iPad supports multitasking and that the apps you need are ready. Open the primary app from the dock or home screen so it's active. Once the app is open, drag up slightly to reveal the dock. Make sure the second app is in the dock or recent apps. Then drag that app icon toward the screen edge to trigger split view or drop it in the middle for slide over. This gets both windows visible quickly. Once both apps appear, you'll decide layout and sizing. Drag the center divider left or right to create the desired proportions. This lets you prioritize one app at a time. If you started with slide over, grab its top handle and drag it to the edge until it docks into split view. Make sure to use App Exposé or the top window handle to swap apps or move windows between spaces, because that keeps your workflow fluid and reduces. To finish, refine placement and close any extra window by dragging the divider fully to one side or tapping the small close control. If things don't behave, split view won't initiate or windows jump, quit and reopen the apps or toggle multitasking in settings, then retry. This resets the window manager. If your iPad supports Stage Manager, use it for more than 2 apps and drag to resize groups. That solves most glitches and keeps your multi-window setup stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.